Hey, so what is going on, everyone? Got a quick video here to share with all of you. So I was out flying the Mavic 2 Zoom, and I have some things going on here with the batteries. So lately I've noticed after I charge them, they seem to be perfectly fine. This one's kind of starting to swell or bloat out, whatever you want to call it. But this one I just got done using, and as it gets real hot, you can see it's starting to get real rounded and bloat out. So I don't know, these are probably close to about a year old, just under a year. I think September is when I registered them. So you get 6 months for a warranty, and these are clearly out of warranty because it's been too long. But you can see the issue that I have is it's supposed to fit flush and flat inside of the drone area in here. And what's happening is it's starting to bloat out, and it's putting pressure on these gadgets here, and what's possibly could happen is it could pop out of, during flight, it could actually come out of there. So these ones here are just starting to do it. As you can kind of see them getting rounded a little bit. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to reach out to DJI and see if there's anything they can do for me for this issue. Anybody else having this issue, leave comments below. I'm sure I'm not the only one having the issue. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.